Hi everyone. It is 10:57 a.m. That's 10:57 in the morning, and I just went out to buy some breakfast. So let's see what I got for breakfast. Let's see what I bought for breakfast this morning. So first of all, I bought these. These are called fried breadsticks or Chinese breadsticks. So I bought a few of these. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 fried breadsticks or Chinese breadsticks here. And also I bought some rice porridge. This is called rice porridge. Let me open the bag here. So this is called rice porridge, or it's also called congee. It's very popular for breakfast in Asia. So that's rice porridge. And with the rice porridge, there is, let me open this bag here so you can see. There's some fish here. This is dried fish. And here is a salted egg, and it's already open. So there's a salted egg. So let's see, let me get this ready. And I have this bowl here. It comes with a bowl, but this is just a soft styrofoam bowl, so it's very light. So instead, I'll save that bowl and I'll use this, my own bowl. I'll use this hard bowl. I think it's a ceramic bowl. So I will take the spoon out there. I will pour the rice porridge into this bowl. Let me take the elastic off of here. Just trying to get the elastic off. These elastics are hard to take off. There's a certain way to do it, but I forget exactly how. Oh, there it comes. Just pull the elastic off here. Pull the elastic band. There, it's coming off. There, I pulled the elastic band off the bowl, and there is the congee. So now I will pour it. Oh, it's hot. I'll pour it carefully into the bowl. Ouch. Oh, that's really hot. Okay, there. I've poured most of it from the bag here into this bowl. And let's see, I have to put this away somewhere. I'll put this leftover into the bag here. And let's add the salted egg. So the salted egg is in its shell here. So I'll take it out of the shell. I'll just use a spoon and scoop that out. So I'll kind of scoop it out. Oh, there's the salted egg yolk, and here's the salted egg white. So I'll scoop that into the congee or rice porridge. So I'll just scoop that into the rice porridge. And it's porridge. This porridge is like most porridge. It's very watery, so it has rice in it. I think you can see there's some rice there, but there's also lots of water. So this is made with rice and lots of water. And let me get the other. So that's half of the salted egg, and here's the other half. I'll scoop the other half out with the spoon. Try to scoop out the white and add that to the rice porridge. And here is the fish. So I'll just take apart the dried fish and put pieces of dried fish. There's the fish skin, and there's some bones there. So I'll just put that in the bowl here and take this piece, take this apart, and put it in the bowl with that. Okay, so there's the rice porridge with dried fish and salted eggs. Let me wipe off my hands here. Okay, so I have my rice porridge here, or it's also called congee. So this is rice porridge or congee with salted eggs and with dried fish. And I also have fried breadsticks here. And also I'm going to have some coffee. And actually I'm going to have tea and coffee. So I have a tea bag here, and I have some instant coffee, and I have my mug here, my favorite mug. So I will put the tea bag drop it in the mug there, and I will open this packet of instant coffee and pour the instant coffee into the mug. And then I have some hot water here. So I'll take the hot water, and this is my electric kettle. So I will take the electric kettle and pour hot water into the coffee and tea. You can see it's hot. There's steam coming out of the mug. There's steam rising out of the mug there. And let me stir that together. Put the kettle back, and I'll just use this plastic fork. So I'll stir the tea and coffee together. Okay, so there's tea and coffee mixed together. And let's see, I also bought a bottle of soy milk. That's soy milk, and this is a bottle. It has a cap on top, so it's a glass bottle with a metal cap on top. So I have to open that. I'll use this, let's see, this nail clipper has many things. One of them is, if I pull it out here, one of them I can use to open bottles. So I'll use this bottle opener to open the bottle, to pull the cap off the bottle. There, I got the cap off the bottle. So I have a bottle of soy milk, and I have tea with instant coffee together, so hot tea and coffee mixed together. There, so my breakfast is ready. Okay, so let's see how it tastes. This tastes pretty good. It's a little bit salty. The salted egg, of course, is salty. And also I can take these fried breadsticks, and I can tear them in half like that, and then I can dip the breadsticks into the congee or into the rice porridge and eat them that way. And sometimes I also dip them into my coffee or tea, or coffee and tea. That tastes pretty good. Okay, so that's my breakfast for this morning. I have congee or rice porridge. So this is the rice porridge, and I put in the rice porridge, I put a salted egg into the rice porridge, and I put dried fish into the rice porridge. And also here I have fried breadsticks. So I can take the fried breadsticks and tear them in half like that, and then dip them. I can dip them into my rice porridge, or I could dip them into my coffee and tea mixed together. And then also I have coffee and tea mixed together. So there's the tea bag, and I also used instant coffee. So I poured instant coffee into here, and with the tea bag I added hot water and mixed it together. And then this is a bottle of soy milk. So this is my breakfast for today. Hi again, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please press or click on the like button, and please subscribe by pressing or clicking on the subscribe button, and press or click on the bell to see new videos like this one. And also please share the video with other people who you think might like it too.